Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do this. This is my best friend, Lily, and we are going to teach you how to do front walkover. Also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Fam, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on the post notifications and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, comment Crazy Fam down below and we'll know. So first, you should be able to do a handstand. So how you do this, you go in a T. And it should look like a T. And if your stairs should take all the way up, you can also have a spot that should look like this. And if you want to stand your handstand longer, you can also shrug through your shoulders and you'll stand in your handstand automatically longer. After you've accomplished your handstand, then you need to have your back bend, which is nothing. When you push up, when you look down for your back bend, put your hands next to your ears, and then push up into your back bend. Also, if you watch my other video, I showed you how to do a back bend, so make sure to watch that. And then after you've gotten your back bend, you need to know how to do this. You go into your handstand, and then you lean, and get into your back bend. It's okay if you can't stand up right away. You might want to have a spot help you like this. And also, if you can get in your back bend, make sure to practice your back bend a lot more. After you have your front lumbar, which is this. So, if you can do your front lumbar perfectly, you should be doing this afterwards. So, you do want to do that, and then you will start going through your front lumbar and just trying to stand up. But if it looks like this, it's totally fine too. Because you are really close after you practice your foot handstand, and you can almost completely walk over. If yours ends up looking like this, and you end up not being able to get up, then maybe you should practice your front lumbar more like a spot, like this. See, I almost made it up, but I needed the spot to help. And also, if you want to try to get your front walkover faster, what you can also do is walk on the wall, walk this way, and let the wall catch you like this. You'd be able to do this because I showed you in my other video how to do it. And after you've practiced that a couple times, if you need to, then you can start practicing your front walkover spot. If you do not stand up like that, make sure to practice your front lumbar a lot more because those are actually the things that will help you get up. You can also practice this or this. So those are a couple at a time, so you can do them, like make them together. And after you have your front lumbar and you can stand up out of it, then just go for your front walkover. And soon enough, you'll get it by yourself. Yeah, that's how to do the front walkover.